The moisture meter measures the proportion of moisture in common building materials.
Specifically, the device is calibrated only to measure the moisture in softwood, hardwood, drywall, and cement board. The device claims to be accurate up to 4% for the woods and provides relative readings for drywall and cement board. To use the device, simply press the power button, set the correct material, and place the back plate against the material to be measured. The manual recommends material at least 3/4 of an inch thick. If the material is thinner, the measurement may be inaccurate. If the material is thicker, the measurement will only be for the top 3/4 of an inch. Here I am measuring a table made of some sort of composite wood, so I have selected the softwood setting. The table is also at least 3/4 of an inch thick. There is a hold button which freezes the measurement given on the display so you may move the meter without losing your measurement. Pressing the hold button again returns the device to normal functionality. This device does not measure moisture directly. Instead, it measures a material's capacitance using an electric field generated by the device. The meter has been calibrated to correlate the capacitance of certain types of materials to the amount of moisture present in those materials. For this reason, it is important to use the meter only on the materials mentioned in the manual. The meter is only calibrated for those materials. Due to this method of calibration, the meter may have a range of accuracy depending on the material being measured. However, the device should be precise. As such, the meter lends itself well to comparing various samples of the same material or comparing a single sample against itself over a period of time. If extreme accuracy is necessary for your purposes, consider a different tool or method, such as the method found in ASTM D4933, which is linked on the Tool Library website and in the description of the video. Now that you have a solid understanding of how the tool works, see how moisture levels vary in the walls of the room you are in. If you find yourself struggling, refer to the manual of the tool you are using or ask a librarian.